folks, this is Dinette at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon, and today I'm here to show you this 2018 Jayco Seneca. It's a Class C diesel 6.7 Freightliner. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to head out this way. First of all, I'd really like you to notice what beautiful paint this has. It's really spectacular. It needs a good bath. We just got it, but you need to see it now. So go ahead and come on this way. It does have an exterior TV, as well as a huge amount of storage on the outside. It's about 39 feet long, and like I said, it is a Freightliner, has a little over 15,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and go on in. Well, first you're probably going to notice that it has beautiful leather. These are electric recliners. They go up and back, as well as the foot goes up on them. They're very soft. And it matches your cockpit area, which is also in beautiful condition. Just above that, we have the sleeping, as well as a privacy curtain. And just to my right, the entertainment center. Nice big TV and an electric fireplace that's going to give out heat. So it won't be hot to the touch. It'll just put out all that nice heat right to you while you're sitting there on your love seat there. Let's pan over here to the kitchen. Lots of counter space, and this rolls out, so you have a really good prep area. Of course, you've got the cover for your sink, convection microwave oven, and a really large refrigerator. Also has an ice maker. We can pan over here to the dinette. Ample area, as you can tell. This isn't a little tiny dinette. I can sit here and it's plenty big for me. Got the cup holders. I don't know if you've noticed the floors, but they're beautiful. Really a solid surface with some tans and grays in it. I really like it. If you have pets, this is going to hide dirt, and believe me, this thing needs a good wash, so this is hiding it well. Come on back to the bathroom. We have a split bathroom on this one, so you're going to have the toilet in this section, which is nice for privacy, along with a ton of storage. We also have medicine cabinet, sink, solid surface countertops.
Let me get this first really quick. Okay, now say that again.
We've also got your medicine cabinet, solid surface countertops, and a really nice glass shower here. It's nice to have it across the way. And of course, there's all the sliding doors to give you privacy. Come on in here. The bedroom has a king-size bed. Everybody's always looking for that walk-around king-size bed. Here it is. Again, lots of cabinetry, a full closet. Even more drawers inside the closet. We've got cabinetry here, TV across the way. So I hope you really enjoy this information regarding this unit. Jayco is one of my very favorite ones. They're just built really solid, and I always enjoy working with that company. So if you'd like to see this or one of our many other great motorhomes in stock, give me a call. My name's DThomas, and my phone number is 541-221-6345. Thank you.